In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're connecting with colleagues or reaching out to external contacts, Teams offers flexible calling options tailored to the specific features enabled by your organization. These can include Teams Phone, a calling plan, or just internal Teams calls. Let's explore the different ways you can make that call happen. To begin, let's discuss making a call directly from a chat. First, open the chat window with the person or group you wish to contact. If the chat is one-on-one, you'll find this straightforward. At the top right corner of your chat window, you'll notice two distinct buttons. One for an audio call, resembling a phone icon, and another for a video call, appearing as a camera icon. Simply click on the appropriate button to initiate your call. It's worth mentioning that group calls within chats are also supported, depending on your company's licensing configuration. Now, if you'd rather make a call using the Calls tab or through a dial pad, open your Teams desktop app and locate the Calls option on the left sidebar. Once there, you'll see a dial pad, similar to what you'd find on a traditional phone. Type in the phone number or name of the person you'd like to call. After entering the details, simply hit the Call button to start your conversation. However, keep in mind that calling external numbers might require your organization to have a specific calling plan or a Teams phone license. Another handy feature Teams offers is the Call command. This is especially useful when you're navigating through Teams and need to quickly start a call. At the top of your Teams interface, you'll find the search bar. Type Call followed by the name or number of the person you want to reach. After entering the command, press Enter, and Teams will automatically initiate the call for you. Every now and then, you might find yourself browsing through Teams and suddenly needing to ring someone up. In such cases, you can hover over a contact's profile picture or their name if they're in a chat thread. By doing this, you'll see both a phone and video icon appear. Clicking on the phone icon will commence an audio call, while the video icon will start a video call. This hover feature is particularly useful for spontaneous conversations without having to navigate away from your current task. Finally, let's tackle how to answer incoming calls. When someone reaches out to you through Teams, a pop-up notification will appear on your screen. You'll have two options. Answer, either via audio or video, depending on the nature of the call being made. Click the appropriate answer button to connect with the caller immediately. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to making and receiving calls in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using Chat, the Calls tab, the Call command, or simply hovering over a contact's profile, Teams ensures you stay connected with ease, making collaboration simpler than ever. Happy calling, and thank you for watching.